You walk up to the door and you say, trick or treat, and then they give you candy.
How cool is that?
Doesn't that sound like fun? Wow, look at that.
That is cool.
That is, look at that face.
Say trick or treat.
I think we should take another one too.
She's gonna give you another one.
Put that one in your bag.
That one in your bag. Hello? Hello? Hey, don't you want to go trick-or-treating and get some candy? Don't you want to get some candy? Hello? Hello?
You can have a few kids.
We always, like last year we got 4, I think. And the year before.
Don't you want to get some candy?
7 or 8.
We're gonna walk up and down the street and get some candy. You walk up to the door and you say, trick or treat, and then they give you candy.
How cool is that?
Doesn't that sound like fun? You just walk up the street and you say, trick or treat, and they give you candy.
Yeah.
We go first, we can get the most candy.
The sausage with the.
Oh, you guys have some candy to give out? Oh, look at that. And is this your trick or treat bag, Alice? Is that where you're gonna put the candy in? This bag?
And you make a Halloween. Did you make a Halloween cake, right?
You made a Halloween cake too?
Gonna show that to Papa first?
Yeah, show me the Halloween cake.
Come on, let's go get it. Let's get the cake. Yes.
Wow, look at that.
That is cool.
That is cool.
Are we gonna sing happy birthday? Yeah? Or do you wanna sing now?
What do we sing? It's a new tradition.
It's a new tradition.
The Halloween cake that you sing happy birthday to. Sing happy birthday to the cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Is it to you?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow it out.
Blow the candle. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yay. Wow, that is a cool cake. I have never seen a Halloween cake before. And I have seen a lot of Halloween things, let me tell you. Candy.
Okay, here. Bring it with you.
All right. Just you
Stuff that she wore the other day.
use the pink mixer all by yourself? Hmm?
Okay, here. On your jacket, so don't. Let Mama hold it. Can I hold it? Here.
Look at that face. Mama's got your biscuit,
Silly
your
Mama.
cookie.
That's a very pretty jacket.
Yes, it is. Look out.
Gonna eat later? Or wanna bring it?
Here.
Let me get.
Are you gonna eat the cracker too?
No.
Yeah, it's just like the apple fritter.
Yep. Just the good part.
Oh, good job. You're eating the cookie? Yummy.
This will be your first time going trick-or-treating ever.
Have fun!
Here we go.
We're gonna say trick or treat.
Yeah. It's okay. Let's see if they're gonna come and then you can say the word. Come here.
Say trick or treat.
You have to say trick or treat. She's gonna give you candy. Yeah, you want some more candy? Okay, you gotta say the words when she comes. And she'll put more candy in there.
Oh, you can get some candy now.
First one, here you go.
Which one do you want? Want the Twix or the peanut butter? There you go. Thank you.
Halloween.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Look at that, you got candy.
Whoa, you got candy. Yeah, all you had to do was say trick or treat. See, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Want to go to another house?
Yeah.
Get some more candy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick up which one you want. I think you should take another one too.
She's gonna give you another one.
Put that one in your
That
bag.
one in your bag.
There you go. And now you can take another one.
Okay.
Say
Thank you.
You're welcome.
thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Halloween. Wow, you got two.
You are a special little girl. Yes. It's very cold out tonight.
Are you having fun? Yeah.
What do you say when you go up to when you they open the door? What do you say? Do you say trick or treat?
Yeah.
Can you say it now? Say it to Papa.
Yeah, tell me how you say it. That's all right. Come on, let's go. We'll keep going.
Is Daddy gonna eat it? Or is Alice gonna eat it?
Alice is gonna eat
Are
it.
you gonna give one piece to Papa?
No. That's okay. Papa doesn't need it. Well, we have 3 more houses to do. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 4. Maybe 4. These people have their light on. These people are going to have candy for you. I am sure of it.
Let's go to that house.
Let's go to that house then. That's right.
It has lights.
It does have lights. Mimi's making pictures of it. Press the button. There we go. Okay. He doesn't have any. Oh well. He doesn't have any. Yeah. That's a good attitude. Okay, here we go. More for you. Oh, because my glasses keep getting foggy. See, they're all fogged up.
Yeah, mine are off too.
Are they not home?
They might not be home.
Oh,
I think we could go next door and
another house we could go to right next door. Did you have fun?
What did you get? Dump your candy out.
What did you get?
Yeah, what did you get?
Put it in the floor.
You gotta dump it out. That's the best part.
That's it.
Whoa,
goodness.
look at all that candy you got.
Who's gonna eat all that? Are you gonna give any to Daddy?
Are you gonna give any to Papa?
You gonna give any to Mama? Yeah? You gonna give any- what about Mimi? Did Mimi get any? Well, Did you have fun? She's having fun.
Thank you,
too.
Papa. Thank you, Mimi.
All right, can you look at Papa and say Happy Halloween?
Halloween.
Yay! Happy Halloween!
Time to eat the candy.
Look at all that candy. Woohoo!